He's playing with it.
I'm done.
All right.
Playing.
Kick it to the goal, Levi. Kick it to the goal. Oops. Go get it back to the goal. The goal's this way. To the goal. Not down the hill. Here, ready? Kick it this way. To the goal. All right. Ethan, buddy, come back out here. Here. All right. You want to practice fishing? What was it? Say go!